From idea to empire, a millennial's guide to launching a thriving online business. Aspiring entrepreneurs, the digital age is your playground. The barriers to building your empire have crumbled, inviting you to turn dreams into reality. With an e-learning course like ours, you're equipped to transform ideas into thriving online businesses. Inspiration begins with finding your niche, a realm yet to be conquered. Deep market research is your compass, guiding you to verify and solidify your business idea with confidence. Your brand, your beacon, must illuminate your path. Pour passion into creating a compelling brand identity. Let every detail, from designs to presence, echo your vision and resonate with your audience. Harness the power of digital marketing, an essential tool in today's bustling marketplace. Master the art of crafting captivating content, engaging through SEO, and connecting via social media. Embrace innovation as your ally to stay ahead of the competition. The journey to success demands resilience. Stay strong, adapt, and evolve through challenges, steadfast in pursuing your aspirations. Embark now. Your digital empire awaits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Organizational Excellence Explorer now.